Good morning students, welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our the 5th chapter, that is different kinds of materials. Students, in previous classes already we have discussed about that what is the acid and different types of acids and along with the different substances. Yes, but today we are going to discuss about that what is the base. Students, first of all, once remind you about what is that acid. Acid is in sour taste. Okay, acid is a chemical substances which gives us or which taste is sour. Okay, so that substances or that chemical substances are called as acid, like hydrochloric acid, tannic acid, citric acid, okay, and sulfuric acid. So many types of acids already you have studied. But students, today we are going to discuss about that. What is the base or basic substances? Base is a bitter taste. Students, the chemical substances which are in bitter in taste, which are bitter in taste. Students, observe that here. This is very important. The chemical substances which are sour in taste, that is called as acid. Which are in bitter in taste, that is called as a base. Okay, so and soapy to touch are called base. Soapy to touch, that means it's a smoothness like it will feel, that is called as soapy to touch. Okay, that substances are called as that chemical substances are called as a base. So what are the examples, friends? This chemical nature of the such substances are called as basic, that is called as a basic substances. Okay, that means that chemical substances are belongs to bases. Okay, so now see some examples are given. Name of the bases are given, bases, and some substances against about that I have written. So sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Students, observe that here on hydroxide means what? Just mixing with the OH. Okay, hydroxide means water composition is there. So we have to all that base format is hydroxide. Sodium with hydroxide OH. That means sodium NaOH. That is the like this. So this is minus part, this is plus. Their combination is there. So sodium hydroxide. In higher class, we will study how the bonds are forming. So this is a sodium with hydroxide are forming. If suppose HCl, this is H plus. If H plus is there, that means it is acid. How it is, you will study in that 10th class or 9th class. H plus AOH. Water is dividing. The composition are forming. You know that water H2O. That means H plus OH. So whenever this it will be formed, that means H generally it is going us with H plus ions and OH ions, minus ions. So H plus ions are forming just acid and OH minus ions are forming with the base. So that means when OH minus are more is there, that is called as a base. So sodium hydroxide instead OH minus more is there. So that's why it is called as a, what is that? Base. So NaOH is equal to sodium hydroxide. This is called as NaOH present. Okay. Similarly, ammonium hydroxide, window cleaning solutions. We are glass of we are spray we are keeping and cleaning. If the dust is there or some dirt is there, we are removing that dirt. Okay, so that is called as window cleaning solutions. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, so calcium hydroxide is also lime water. Friends, calcium CaOH twice. So this is calcium hydroxide. Okay. Potassium hydroxide, this is also chemical substances which are using for the making soap also. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. So these are all that examples of bases, students. And whenever you have to see, just remember students, whenever if it is chemical substances which one we are keeping that, or if it is eating substance like that or can possible, then we can taste by that our mouth, by the tongue. But you have to observe that if you will feel that the taste is sour or bitter taste, then we can say it is a base substances. And if it is sour type of tastes, then we can say it is acid. But if we are not finding the sour or like that, we have to general salt type of things. We are saying that neutral substances. But some students, how can you find out that whether acid if it is very dangerous for that? So how can we will test it? So by the tongue it is not possible. For that we are using another one indicators, just like for example red litmus paper, okay, blue litmus paper also we are using for testing of the water. This is acidic substance or basic substances, okay. Which one we can discuss in the next classes, we will see that, but you should remember that friends, what is the bases and what are the acids, and remember that whatever the notes you should write in your classwork, and for your homework collect this all the sodium hydroxide formulas, all these things, and write in your notebook. Okay friends, thank you all of you. Next we will discuss about that what are the indicators and how that testing of these solutions. Thank you.